No, there's not much on the garages. It all blows off the garage.
Well, I'm talking about Allison's garage though. Her roof's not as...
Yeah, even still. This is what the snowplow decided to do in front of our house. Pushed it all in front of my neighbor's driveway right here. It's supposed to be a driveway right here, going to the garage. They plowed it all right in front of their driveway. 6 feet tall right here. And a crazy huge drift. The neighbor's house across the street. There's snow on the roof. Drifts all the way around the house. This is what the snowplow did to us too. 3 feet in front of my driveway. So now I get to shovel that shit out eventually, if I ever get to it. 50-mile-an-hour winds last night.
The one that don't like to drive in the snow, so to be out in the snow.
Right.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Poor S10. Buried. GMC. Buried. The huge snow drift right next to it. Look at this thing in between the trucks right here too. See how deep it goes. My footprint. Oh shit. That's cool looking right there. Truck buried. Snow drifts all along the garage too. Good times.